Hi guys, how are you doing? This is Antonio. Yeah, from Antonio Bracelets. I'm showing my face, finally, yeah. Yeah, because I've been doing some videos, about bracelets. You know me, I mean, you have seen my videos. You can just see just my hands doing a bracelet, yeah? So, basically, or creating a bracelet. Basically, now I'm showing my face because I actually saw a video today, I watched a video today, with a guy that was saying why men should wear bracelets, yeah? Like, I guess, like, we have the concept that, men don't wear bracelets, yeah? Which is wrong. I mean, lots of people do. I do. I do create bracelets and I personalize bracelets and I started creating bracelets for myself. But that's not the point. Yeah. So I think that the most important thing in here is that why I wear bracelets, why do I wear, why do I think that people should. I mean, in my case, I wear it because um, to me they identify. That's how I identify myself. Like every single bracelet for me, it has a meaning. Yeah. Of course, I've done bracelets that are like, it's cool. It matches my outfit. Full stop. But then most of them, I got inspiration because of, I don't know, something that I like. I love Latin America, for instance, yeah. And I watch some documentaries about Latin America or I see some pictures about Latin America. And then I was like, okay, I like that landscape. I'm going to do something that has like a bracelet that has the same colors, yeah, the same combination. Because, nature never messes up. we as human beings, we as human beings mess up sometimes, but nature is just perfect. So basically, if you do a bracelet with that combination of colors that nature created, you can't be wrong. You can't go wrong, yeah. And that's what I do. But not only that, yeah, I create bracelets because of my experiences, like because I don't know, they mean something to me, yeah. So the first thing that I think, or the most important thing that I think that a bracelet does, is it tells who you are. It says who you are. That's what I think is the most important thing. And it's also like it's decoration, yeah. It's like it makes you look. It emphasizes your beauty because I think like everybody is beautiful, yeah. Like we all are beautiful. So when we wear something like a decoration, let's say bracelet, let's say like a necklace, let's say I don't know earrings or whatever you wear, yeah, whatever makes you happy. It's just like you are emphasizing, you're like empowering this beauty that you have. And that's why I do bracelets as well, because I think it looks good in a person, yeah? I mean, someone says like, it doesn't look good, it's just like basically childish or whatever. I don't care what people think. I mean, I care about what I think about myself, how I feel myself when I wear a bracelet, and if people don't like it, then you know what, whatever, your problem, not mine. I'm not doing bracelets for people to like me. I'm doing bracelets because I love doing bracelets, because I feel good with them, yeah? And sometimes people like question me, like, oh, yeah, that bracelet is nice, how did you do it, or what is the reason behind? Because there's always a reason for me, in my case, yeah. Of course, I've done bracelets, yeah, that are like just, it matches, it looks nice, colors are nice. I don't know, I have one bracelet here, I have lots, but like this one is like made of onyx and howlite. It's just or howlite, I don't remember how it's called. I mean, the name, the pronunciation, I don't know. It just matches, it's like, okay, black, white, cool. It's not really a big deal. Everybody can do that. But like, to me, the most important ones are like the ones that have this meaning, yeah. And I think that's basically the reason. I mean, I think I don't have any more reasons. Well, I said like deco, and I said because it identifies yourself. Those are but like really important things for me. I mean, it's not that I don't like people without decoration. You know what I mean? Without bracelets or without jewelry. But I mean, I find it nice. I find it nice when someone puts something on that it's different. That you know it makes this person be or show something different from this person. As I'm saying, it's to me identity. Identify yourself. It's about you thinking about yourself. I look better with this. It makes me feel good. So I mean that's what I think. Some people don't like bracelets. Some people don't like jewelry. Some people say like, oh, whatever. I don't like it because it annoys me. Well, I don't wear like bracelets here at home because I have to do a couple of things. I have to cook or something. I don't wear them because it's going to like get messed up. So I don't want to do that. Yeah. But I did bracelets for people, personalizing them because they say like, hey, can you do a bracelet for me that is like I don't know, has the names of the name of my kid, for instance, a girl, she needed a bracelet. She wanted a bracelet that had the name of her newborn baby, and I did that for her. Yeah, or I don't know, like different stuff. Yeah, I don't know. For whatever you want. Sometimes, some people do bracelets because they have healing properties. Yeah, and that's also, hey, that's a good thing. I didn't say that one. That's another thing, like the healing properties. Sometimes, like the beads, the stone, the gem that the tiger eye is called. Like they say they have healing properties, like yoga healing properties, something like that. I'm not really into that. I've not researched so much about it, but that's another thing. Or the lava stones. I actually have like a bracelet that's made of lava stones. That's cool. You can do things, you can create things for yourself, because that's the most important thing as well. I think it's good to do. It's cool to create your own bracelet. That's what I do. Create my bracelet. I never buy bracelets. I always do them because they have something. Because every bracelet has to have something that I know exactly that I want, and that's what I'm going to do in this bracelet. And that's why I also personalize bracelets for all people, because they ask me, maybe they don't know what to do it or whatever, they want something, they ask me, it's like, I want that, and I do it. And they feel good. I feel really happy because I've done something that makes them feel good, and because I can do that, yeah. Something that I might say in another video why, but most important thing, those things that I told you. Make you feel good, make you look good, and it identifies you. That's it for today. I may do more videos. If you liked it, just hit like, subscribe, hit the bell, so you can get notifications of more of my videos. I'm going to try to do more videos than before, because I actually think that it's really cool to contribute in YouTube, in this network, in other networks, social networks. It doesn't matter if you see this video on Instagram or whatever, but like to show people what you can do, and if they can learn, and if they agree or disagree, then they can say it. So leave a comment below and have fun. Love you guys. Catch you soon.